Hello everyone, this is Joe Bean Videos. I'm the Jimmy Master of Attraction. This is just a little video I'm making of the animated Furrballz. Well, only one in this video. I had so many. I had over 60. I'm just gonna say that right now. Of course, all different characters. There's different series. There's the Meatball series, which there's 6 characters in that series. The Spaceballs, which there's quite a few different aliens. Probably like 12. I don't know about. I don't know. 9 or no, not. Yeah, probably 12. 12 different aliens. The Hairballs, 6 characters. Adoraballs, like probably 9 or 12 in that series. Which I had almost all the Furballs though. I didn't have the series Boo Balls or Knuckleballs, but I had the whole series of the Meatballs, doubles of them too, of course. I've had almost all the Spaceballs, not all of them, but close. All the Hairballs, all the Adoraballs except for one, and I had 4 Halloween ones that were sold at Kmart in 2006, which of course if you watch my Furrballz videos on my Joe Bean Videos channel in my playlist, you'll see them. I really like them. Like, each of them have different songs and different sayings. Basically what you do is you toss them, you slap them, and they start bouncing around for a couple of seconds. This one seems I don't know what the name of the song. I'm blue. If I was green, I would die, or something like that. There's an orange one in the Meatball series that I like. That seems to lack emotion, and I had 2 of those. But the reason I had 2 is my first one had a glitch in the board. As the activation, it'd make a bunch of beeping noises, and every time it would beep, the audio would change. It would either get really muffled, it would get loud. Well, it was always scratchy sounding no matter what. And I do have a couple videos of it. It would do a beep, and then it would change. It would get loud, or it would get like really muffled, and it'd get distorted. It was quite interesting, and I don't have them anymore. I have all my furs from most of them. But the ball parts, these things break a lot. Like, when you put fresh batteries, they bounce really fast. So when you use them on hard floor, they bounce so hard that it breaks the actual motor. The motor breaks. So I wouldn't recommend using them on hard floor, really, because that's just going to break them faster. And don't throw them too hard, because that'll just break them. And their battery life doesn't last too long. I always had to use rechargeable for these, because they die non-stop. I wouldn't activate it more than 6 times per day, because they already start slowing down after 8 activations. That's why all mine broke, because I used them obviously non-stop, and I had so many. You know, bouncing them all down the stairs, that's fun. Oh yeah, and then at Walmart they were sold in the pet aisle. There was a pet series for pets. There was 4 different fish. There was 2 cats. There was 2 dogs. There was oval-shaped dogs. There was 4 of them. I had 3 rubber ones. Googly Go. I don't know what their names were, but yeah. It was, I like these things. And then, of course, my second orange Furball, back to the Like Emotion one, it was obviously normal sounding. There was no glitches. That's the only one I had with a glitch like that. And it was pretty interesting. It's like, it was obviously either a factory thing or like some type of prototype. It wasn't a prototype. It was just a factory glitch, but it was pretty interesting. I wish I still had it to demo, because it's kind of interesting. But anyways, enough of the talking. You get the point. We'll just get to activating it. I like how these things bounce around. See how it's already slowing down a little bit? That's what I'm talking about. They take 3 AAA batteries. They have a plastic. There's a zipper. You unzip the zipper and take the plastic ball out. There's 3 screws to open the ball part, and then there's 4 screws in the cover. I just don't want the batteries to die. I'm afraid to use these, because I'm afraid they're gonna break again. I'm trying to do all the same, but the thing with these is they just shuffle their sayings, you know, so you can't make them say a certain saying, you know. I just wish they had one lawn activation. Yeah, yeah, it's already slow. See, I think there's something wrong with this one. This one doesn't do the beginning intro. There we go. Okay, we're done with it. But, yeah, these were sold, these kinds were, the cartoon characters were sold at CVS. And according to Crazy Hippo, they were sold in well, they were in claw machines. I never saw that, but I really like these. I want to get the whole series, but I never had the whole series. It's just I had most of them, but, oh, I don't think I'll be able to get them all again. It's just not possible. These are actually hard to find. There's only one on eBay right now. It's a purple one. It looks just like this, but it does Pac-Man noise and some other noises. So yeah. Well, that's it over the review of this Furrball. If I get the whole series, then I'll do like a big video with like recording all of the different ones, but that'll be a long time. And this is also my third one of the green with the orange stripe. This is my third one. My first one, the speaker blew out right away, but then I fixed it. And then I got a second one, and both their motors died. And it looks like this one's already slowing down. That's why I won't use it a lot, unless the batteries are just dying already. But I'm not going to activate it very much, so yeah. It was fun having a lot of them, but again, if to see all of them, just go to my Joe Bean Videos Furrballz playlist, because I have a lot of videos of these in there, just all bouncing around, and yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.